Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about Next.Js 13 and we have just created a new series of videos regarding Next.Js 13 which released in recent months. First, React versus Next.Js difference. React. React is a JavaScript library for building user interface. It's a primarily focused on view layer of your application. With React, you can create reusable components, manage their state, and render your application efficiently. React applications are typically single page application, which means entire app is loaded once. Then the dynamic updates as the user interact with it. Here React is a library, so we can solely focus on single page application. It will load only one time. So and it will change the UI dynamically regarding to the user interaction. Next.js. Next.js is a framework built on top of React that simplifies the process of building server render React application. It adds features for server side rendering, static site generation, which can improve performance SEO by pre rendering the pages on server or at build time. Here, we have seen React is a library, but Next.js is a framework. We can work in a full stack and it simplify the process of server side rendering, and it has the feature of server side rendering, static site generation, and in Next.js it has the advantage of improving performance and SEO. So why we have to learn Next.js? First one is routing. Here in Next.js, routing is happen based on file system based routing. The routing will happen on the basis of file name. Next, rendering. We have multiple options to rendering. Next, data fetching. Here we have simplified data fetching, and also we have server components, which are the new release of React. Styling. Here we can use Tailwind CSS or CSS modules we can use in a Next.js. Next, optimization. In the Next.js 13, they have optimized and improved the image, font, and script components, so the core web vitals and user experience will be enhanced. Finally, we can use TypeScript, and Next.js has improved the support for the TypeScript in recent years with custom TypeScript plugins and type checkers. Finally, we have routers in Next.js. Routers are app router, page router. So this app router will consist the server components, which is the new features of React. I will explain this server component and client component in upcoming videos. And page router is have a features which we have used previous Next.js 12 and same, and few optimization has been done in the page router. We can also use page router and app router side by side in Next.js. They have provided this feature for the step by step migration to the app router. Now I'm going to create a new application. For that, I'm going to open the command prompt, provide the command create next app at latest. So we can wait for a few seconds, it will install and it will ask for a plenty of questions. So install tutorial. So no, yes, no, want, yes. So now the Next.js application has been installed successfully. Open the Next.js in the VS Code using command prompt. Now you can see the VS Code. Here we have source and app router. So here let me open the terminal and let me run the Next.js application. So we can see the home page. So wait for a few seconds. Now access this URL. So you can see the Next.js homepage here. So in upcoming videos, we will explain about the page router and app router. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.